like for me, my manager was cool with me attending meetings and things like that during the workday because I still sort of, met my, amount of work that I needed to do. And if I did something open source related during the day, I would just like spend some extra hours doing the work thing in like the evening. But as far as like convincing your boss, that's where, working on a project or a thing that like is essentially used by your organization can be really beneficial. Because when you are contributing to a project and involved in a project, you like sort of see the roadmap, you become aware of things that are, happening there long before, most users are. A good example with Kubernetes and like some of the API changes, the removal of Docker shim, the people that were involved in the Kubernetes community knew about that long before, it ever got to the public. So it was like if they were involved and their business, their work would have been impacted, they would have gotten like more time to solve that problem just because you had that person there in the project. The other thing is like a lot of the projects don't get like feedback from users. And so just by being there and providing meaningful feedback, you can help shape the direction of the project. And the value of the feedback from someone that's, say, contributing tends to be valued a lot more than a random person on the internet that comes by and drops a comment, because you have built up that trust. You've been there. They've seen how you work. When you talk about a need or an issue, they will, like, generally the other maintainers will take it and, like, know that this is an actual problem that they potentially need to address.
Yeah.